Welcome back to 123 Kimchi. If you can't find Napa cabbage where you are, don't worry because you can still make delicious kimchi with white cabbage or even better, with cone cabbage. Cone cabbage has a softer, more tender leaves with a crisp bite and a gentle sweetness that takes on fermentation beautifully. Today, let's make a small batch together so you can enjoy a truly seasonal kimchi at home. First, we're going to start by brining the cabbage. Quarter the cabbage and remove the core. Cut into even bite-sized pieces while separating the layers. Dissolve coarsely salt in water and add the cabbage. Toss the cabbage gently and place a heavy bowl on top to make sure it salts evenly. Let it soak for about 50 minutes while making sure to turn once halfway. Salting pulls out excess water to keep the cabbage crisp, and it also helps to create a safe environment for fermentation by holding back harmful bacteria. If the cabbage bends without breaking, then it's perfect. Then rinse twice under running water, changing the water each time. This is another important step of salting to get excess saltiness out. Then drain well for 10 minutes. The kimchi paste for cabbage kimchi is really simple. You don't even need the flour or rice slurry often used in other kinds of kimchi. So instead of that, we're making a blend of fruits and aromatics. Blend red apple, onion, and fresh red chilies. For a mild version, use red bell pepper or sweet pointed pepper. This is the secret to cabbage kimchi. It gives vibrant colors and a fresh, bright taste. Add a bit of water to help it blend and blend it until smooth. Now add crushed garlic and a slice of ginger to the blender and pulse until they're just minced. If they're pureed too fine, then kimchi can turn bitter. Now we combine the paste. Pour the mixture into a big bowl. Add gochugaru, Korean red chili powder, fish sauce, and slice in the stalk of green onion. The kimchi paste is fruity, aromatic, and packed with flavor. It's going to thicken as the dry chili powder soaks the moisture. For vegan, check the recipe for the exact substitutes. Now add the drained cabbage to the paste. Toss gently until every piece is evenly coated. And a pro tip, don't pound it like sauerkraut, but just toss gently to keep it crunchy. Pack the kimchi into a clean jar, but make sure to leave around 20% empty space at the top so it won't be overloaded during fermentation. Place a fermentation weight to keep the cabbage submerged. To kickstart the fermentation, keep it at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. After a day, the cabbages will be submerged in its juice. After 2 days, you'll then notice subtle bubbles and a lightly tangy aroma. Now it's time to transfer it to the fridge where it'll ferment at lower temperatures to fully develop its flavors. After around 5 to 7 days in the fridge, it'll be crisp, tangy, and ready to enjoy with your favorite dishes. The flavor will keep developing and reach its peak around week 2 to 3. If it gets too sour, use it for an amazing kimchi jjigae or kimchi stew. And remember, it'll keep fermenting and developing its flavors, so taste it along the way and enjoy at every stage. Try making these while the cabbages are still in season because they taste so good in every aspect. And as always, enjoy the process and happy kimchi making!